In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot Snapchats without notifying the sender. First, open Snapchat and navigate to the snap you'd like to screenshot. Make sure you're ready for the next step. Once you've opened the snap, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Look for an option labeled Remix Snap. It's worth noting that Remix Snap isn't always available, depending on your Snapchat version and the settings of the person who sent the snap. If Remix Snap is available, tap it. You'll enter a new screen where you can interact with the snap further. Position your camera so it's out of the frame to keep your screen clean and ready. Next, look for a save option. Snapchat sometimes allows you to save the snap within the remix screen. Check for a save button. If you find it, you can easily save the snap directly to your device. If there isn't a save button, you can exit back to your phone's overview screen, usually by swiping up and accessing recent apps. From there, take a screenshot without Snapchat detecting it. This trick prevents Snapchat from sending a screenshot notification to the other user. And that's it. These methods will help you capture snaps privately.